How to add multiple audio tracks to an Instagram reel. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap plus icon to create a new post and you have to select the reel at the bottom. Now you can either create a real video here or you can upload from your gallery. So currently let's create a new reel video. Once you're done with your reel video, select the next icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you need to simply select the audio option at bottom left corner and choose a music. And tap the down button at top right corner and select the next button. So currently let me make you aware about that. Adding multiple audio tracks on your Instagram Reel feature is not available currently on your Instagram. But if you really wanna wish to add multiple audios tracks on your Instagram Reel, then you can easily select different kinds of editing applications like CapCut or any other, and then you can add more tracks on those editing application to your Instagram Reel video. From there you can easily save the video, and on the Instagram you can easily upload by the same process. Once you are done with everything, you can tap share button and then easily share it to your Instagram. So that is how we add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates about different tech and tips topics. Hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.